Is Zillow Premier Agent worth it? Honest Review 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you whether Zillow Premier Agent is worth it in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Zillow Premier Agent is a paid advertising program that helps real estate agents connect with potential buyers and sellers. Over here, let's first take a look at its key features. After that, Zillow Premier Agent offers enhanced visibility, meaning agents get priority placement on property listings in selected zip codes. Then, it also provides lead generation, connecting agents directly with interested buyers and sellers. Now, let's talk about some of its pros. Over here, Zillow gives agents access to a large audience, since millions of users visit the platform every month. After that, it also offers comprehensive analytics, helping agents track their leads and listing performance. Then there are educational resources such as training materials and webinars to improve marketing strategies. After that, let's go over some cons. Over here, cost considerations play a big role as pricing varies by location and competition. Then, lead quality variability can be an issue, as some leads may not be serious buyers. After that, market saturation is another concern, as multiple agents may compete for the same leads in busy areas. Now, let's talk about user experiences. Over here, some agents find it helpful for increasing exposure and lead opportunities. After that, others mention concerns about lead quality and return on investment, especially in competitive markets. So that's how you can decide if Zillow Premier Agent is worth it in 2025. That's all for this video.